Welcome to our Intune project. Today we are going to create a free Microsoft Intune trail account. So before starting with the project and creating a new Microsoft Intune free trail account, or even start the project, so the the thing is, like, you need to check your requirements, like which kind of requirements are needed to start with Microsoft Intune. For that one, we have this Microsoft article which explain a bit of more supported operating systems and browser in Intune. So here or is like you need to confirm whether your operating system is supported for Microsoft Intune, and the same for browsers if you have supported browsers. For Intune supported operating systems, we do have Android, iOS, Linux, macOS, Windows, and Chrome operating systems. For Apple, we do have like devices with user affinity, devices enrolled with user affinity. We're using ADE. It means automated device enrollment or personally enrolled devices. And as well, we do have the option for devices without user affinity. So yeah, you need to go through this article and confirm everything is matching the requirements for Microsoft Intune. So these are necessarily to check first before starting Microsoft Intune project. Here you can find some information. For example, Android 8.0 and later for user list management methods. These methods are Android Enterprise dedicated and OSP user list. But yeah, you can just go through this article and find out what is the requirements for Microsoft Intune. In even the same, you will find which kind of browsers are supported. So here, Microsoft Intune supported browser or Microsoft Edge, latest version, Safari, latest version, Mac only, Chrome, and Firefox. These are the Microsoft supported web browsers that you should be using for this one. Okay, cool. Let's go back to creating a free trial account for Microsoft Intune. Uh, well, here is a link for it. So we need to click this one. Well, this was bothering me a lot, and I was not able to switch between the tabs. So I just decided to bring it back to the bottom. Okay, cool. To create an account for Microsoft Intune, first you should have a Gmail account. So you need to create a Gmail account. I have created this one. So I have just created a Gmail account for starting new project with Microsoft Intune. Uh, what is this? Okay. Okay. I'll select this. And smart feature workspace. Yes. Save. And reload. So yeah, we have this Gmail account, and this is the link. Let me just click this one. Okay, so this is the first page of creating Microsoft Intune Trail account. The first thing we need to do is like put the Gmail account here. Just copy paste. Next. Okay, so we need to solve this puzzle. Hmm. Okay, so set up account. Well, we need to put all this information. We'll go with this one. TWN, intern project, job title. Well, uh, I'll put all these details. So you need to put all these details here. So I have just filled all this information. Uh, and now I would like to select next. Okay, so this is my username. This is domain name with Microsoft.com, and I need to select the password here. And next. And now I would like to enter my card number and other related information because for this Trella account, you need to put your MasterCard number for identification. So it will not charge you for this one. Once you have created the account, you can just remove your card from the account. I'm just bringing my card. So pausing here. So I have already put my card number and other related information here. I'm not going to show the card number now, but in above there is a field for card number and other information that we need to fill out here. Okay, what's the format here? I don't know. Okay, and then just save. I have just received the confirmation details here. That's the account has been created for Microsoft Intune Plan 1 Trail, and this is my username. And the confirmation is sent to this Gmail account that have been created with this Gmail account. So I'm just checking if I have received the confirmation from Microsoft for this Microsoft Intune Trail account. Yes, here I'm gonna click here, and your initial trail is ready to use. So I will just start your trail. So once I have received the confirmation and I click here, start your trail account, and then I redirect it. Okay, so let me double click. I redirect it to Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So by default, you will be redirected to this Microsoft 365 Admin Center, and account have been like created for me. And in general, my account is here. This one is my Microsoft account now. So I will be able to log in with this Microsoft account, and this will be my global admin account as well by default. So here's Microsoft 365 Admin Center, and now through this portal, I'm gonna redirect to Microsoft Intune. I'm just clicking this one. Well, for this one, you need to set up MFA, because MFA is now mandatory for every Microsoft 365 account. So next. Mhm. Next. I'm just right now setting up MFA for my user account, for my this Microsoft user account. Because in order to log into your Microsoft account, you need to have set up the MFA for the user account, which is mandatory from Microsoft side now. Okay, so I need to download Microsoft Authenticator app in my phone, which I have already downloaded. So I'm gonna open this Authenticator app and scanning the barcode that I'm seeing in the screen to set up the MFA. I have just scanned the barcode, and now next. And I received the notification in my Authenticator app that I just installed, so I need to put there 13. And yes. Next and done. Don't show, yes. Well, this is our Microsoft Intune Advanced Center. So we have successfully created a Microsoft Intune free trial, and that is completely free, and you don't need to pay for this one, but you just need to add your card number, and that's it.